Hello friends, so this is my village and there is my house. We are 16 of us as siblings, but I will show you. Let's tour my house. So let's see the entrance. This is Bali, who is doing the decoration of the kilon, and here is Badu, and Mayit is eating, and Long Long is helping to do some decoration. And here is Kanung, the late Rupa, and Ahab. Say hi, Mayit. Say hi.
Hi.
And here is Deng and Nana. So here are the people who come and help us. This is Ronnie. This is the young people who come and help us. We don't pay for them, but they just come and help us. So that is how we practice here in the village Mumbai. We don't need to pay. They come for work by themselves because they want to help. And here are the Longmis who are preparing kwai. As this is the tradition, we used to prepare kwai for people, because if we are poor we cannot give good food, but we give only kwai.
Hi.
This is our cutting some vegetables, and here down there are chefs, professional chef here. That is Bahe. And here is Baba, my elder brother. They are cooking, and here is Mahe, my uncle, is cooking fish. And here is the place where we wash utensils, and here where we put firewoods. So let's go up. Here is Kongkong Kentrong, doing a good work. Very hardworking girl. Ngim kami ki nong decoration. Kita ni kini ki nong decoration ki trim ha. This is star head, we have Rupa, kawin sir. Nak decorate kan kada ya. Photo shoot. Kini kita ki nong decoration. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. And here is the entrance. Just look at this, it's it is in a mess because we have not finished the work. And here in the next morning we are shoot this kyuyong. We are cleaning all this kyuyong here. So these are Badu. Friends of Badu. They are teachers. Some of them are teachers and we work really hard. Washing all these utensils. It is so young because of continuous boiling every day. And that is the head of a pig. And these are our friend from Arunachal.
So, hi, me. Hi. Hi. Yes, so sister.
Supervisor.
This is day after the marriage, so all things are done.
Nih, Samidu, Hyderabad, air hostels, expert yang sajung bro. Wow. Em đang sajanya.
Lại được sajanya yung Yung buong, pati yung sadya, kata sadya, no? Bye-bye.
Lit. Maong hai ne.
Hi.
Siki mai iya buat lungut celang. Mad action ne. Action ne.
And finally we are done with the cleaning, and we are still cleaning those utensils that we have used for cooking.
Kisar lem
This
ki
is
na
very
skur
hard.
ki penpat. Le. Kut lah ne.
Thank you for watching.